Ma'am, I would like to commend you for your innovation. Bidyong aralin ni teacher.
Teacher.
Dagdag talino ko. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is actually 3 years in the making. Di ba,
Yes,
ma'am?
sir.
Ma'am, I would like to be clarified, ma'am. Dapat supposedly, ma'am, i-present mo yung 13 na mga videos na nagawa mo. For example, sa video 1, anong topic, ma'am?
Sige. So, natan ako po, sir, yung unang video ko is kahalagahan ng mass media, which I said, have 16,000 viewers with 400 plus subscriber. Other one is talahulugan, kasalungat, talatang naglalarawan, mga party ng diksyonaryo, iba't ibang party ng diksyonaryo, kwento ni Piping Mataba, isang uod, si Pipay, si Yurik, yung pinapangalan ko sa anak ko, at saka yung ginagawa ko ngayon is about si Bibang, kasi yung nickname ko is Bibing.
Ayan, wow,
Yes,
amazing, ma'am. Diba, sa ulo mo yung 13 videos na nagawa
Yes, sir.
mo. Thank you so much, ma'am. My next question, and this would be the last.
Yes. Sige po, sir.
What is the standard MPS acceptable in DepEd?
As of now, sir, is 80. Standard na siya. But in our school, the Caris Westo, ang pinakamaraming estudyante sa division ng Cadiz City. So, yung 78, sir, na MPS is mataas na yun para sa amin. Pero nasa second quarter pa lang niya, sir. So, kaya nga, pag sa third quarter na, yung 78, sisiguraduhin kong magiging 80 plus above. Then, at the fourth quarter, kung makukuha namin o pwedeng masungkit namin yung 100% na MPS, bakit hindi?
Wow! Ayan, ma'am, no? So, therefore, ma'am, ang comment ko lang, ma'am, is actually sa table mo kasi hindi ko siya makuha kung anong ibig sabihin ng mean Q1, MPS Q1.
Okay. Yung Q1, sir, is first quarter exam.
So, it speaks about the quarter.
Yeah.
So, in short, as if we look into the table, it speaks that from quarter 1 to quarter 2, kasi quarter 2 pa lang naman, di ba, ma'am? So,
Yes, sir.
it actually increases.
Yes, sir. Tama po.
Pero for it actually increases, as you said, dapat 70 pila to, ma'am?
Dapat 75.
Pataas.
Pero pataas na po.
In
Opo,
short,
sir.
ma'am, tumataas nga yung MPS,
Yes,
which
sir.
is very good.
Thank you, sir.
We are looking forward for the third quarter.
Sige po,
Sana
sir.
po ma-shoot ang ball for
Sige
the
po.
third quarter, ma'am.
Sige po, sir.
Thank you and congratulations.
Salamat po.